RT510 series thermostat, changing the frost setpoint temperature. To change your thermostat's frost mode setpoint temperature, you need to use the installer mode function. Installer mode allows you to change the device's installation settings. To change the frost setpoint, please follow this procedure. 1. Slide down the front cover to reveal the select and set buttons. 2. Press and hold the hand button, up arrow, and down arrow keys altogether, to enter installer mode and the installation settings. 3. D01 will be displayed on the screen to signify the first setting parameter, which is for temperature display increments. 4. Press the select button until the setting parameter D03 is displayed on the screen. This is the setting parameter for frost setpoint temperature. 5. To enter the setting, press the set button. 6. The current setting will now be displayed flashing on the screen. Use the up and down arrow keys to adjust the frost setpoint. The value can be adjusted between 5 and 17 degrees. 7. You can now press the set button repeatedly until the display shows the current room temperature, or alternatively, simply wait for 10 seconds without pressing any buttons. The thermostat will return to its normal mode and display the current time and temperature. 8. To check your new frost setpoint, first place your thermostat into frost mode by pressing the frost button above the LCD display. A frost icon will appear on the screen. 9. Now press one of the arrow keys and your new frost setpoint temperature should be displayed on the screen. 10. Press the frost button again to take your thermostat out of frost mode and return it to its normal mode of operation. This concludes the procedure for setting the frost setpoint temperature. For further details about installer mode settings and frost mode on your thermostat, please visit our technical website on www.salustech.com.